Good morning, students. Exercise 7.2, question 4. Using slopes, show that the triangle with its vertices A having coordinates 6 and 1, B having coordinates 2 and 7, and C having coordinates -6 and -7 is a right triangle. Solution: A, x coordinate 6 and y coordinate 1. B, vertex B, x coordinate 2, y coordinate 7. Slope of AB, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Here x1 is 6, y1 is 1. x2 is 2, y2 is 7. So putting the values, y2 7 minus y1 1 over x2 2 minus x1 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. So slope of AB is minus 3 by 2. Now B with x coordinate 2 and y coordinate 7. Vertex C, x coordinate minus 6, y coordinate minus 7. Slope of BC, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this case, y2 is, x1 is 2, y1 is 7, x2 is minus 6, y2 is minus 7. Minus 7 minus y1 7, x2 minus 6 minus x1 2, minus 7 minus 7 minus 14, minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. Now 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8. Minus cancelled with minus. So slope of BC is 7 over 4. Now vertex C with coordinates minus 6 and minus 7. Vertex A with coordinates 6 and 1. Slope of CA, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. x1 is minus 6, y1 is minus 7, x2 is 6, y2 is 1. So putting the values, y2 1 minus y1 minus 7 over x2 6 minus x1 which is minus 6, minus into minus is plus, 1 plus 7 is 8, minus into minus 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 8 over 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So slope of CA is 2 over 3. Because slope of AB multiplied by slope of CA is equal to, let us see, slope of AB is minus 3 by 2 multiplied by slope of CA 2 by 3, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, minus 1 over 1 is minus 1. Because slope of AB into slope of CA is equal to minus 1, therefore AB is perpendicular to CA. Hence triangle ABC is the right triangle. Let us learn a few things. This symbol means since or because. It means therefore. This means is perpendicular to. Question 5. Two pairs of points are given. Find whether the two lines determined by these points are number 1 parallel, number 2 perpendicular, number 3 none. None means neither parallel nor perpendicular. First two pairs of points One pair is this and the second pair is this. Slope of the first pair. This is x2, y2, x1, y1. Slope formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let the slope of first pair of points be m1, y2 4 minus y1 minus 2, x2 2 minus x1 1, minus into minus is plus. So 4 plus 2 is 4 plus 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 plus 2, 6 over 1 is 6. Slope of second pair of points. Formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let slope of the second pair of points be m2. y2 is 2 minus y1 is 1. x2 is minus 8 minus x1 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. So m2 is minus 1 over 12. Now you see m1 is 6, m2 is minus 1 over 12. Because m1 is not equal to m2, therefore the lines are not parallel. If the slope of the two lines is equal, then the lines are parallel. But here the slopes of the two lines are not equal, so these lines are not parallel. Again, because m1 multiplied by m2, that is slope of the first line multiplied by the slope of the second line, is equal to slope of the first line 6 into slope of the second line minus 1 by 12. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So answer is minus 1 by 2, which is not equal to minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 is not equal to minus 1. Because the product of the slopes of the two lines is not equal to minus 1, so the lines are not perpendicular. Therefore, the lines are not perpendicular. B part, given two pairs of points are minus 3, 4, 6, 2, first pair, second pair, 4, 5, and minus 2, minus 7. Let us find the slope of the first pair. Formula for slope y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let slope of the first pair of points be m1. y2 is 2 minus y1 is 4. x2 is 6 minus x1 is minus 3. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. 6 plus 3 is 9. So slope of the first line, first pair of points, which is m1, is equal to minus 2 over 9. Let us find the slope of the second pair of points. Formula for slope y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let slope of these pair of points be m2. y2 minus 7 minus y1 minus 5. x2 minus 2 minus x1, which is 4. Minus 7 minus 5 is going to be minus 12. Minus 2 minus 4 is going to be minus 6. Minus cancelled with minus. 6 twos are 12. So m2 is equal to 2. You see, slope m1 minus 2 over 9. m2 2. So m1 is not equal to m2 because m1 is not equal to m2. Therefore, the lines are not parallel. For being parallel, the slopes of the two lines must be equal. Now, let us see the product of the two slopes. Because m1 into m2 is equal to minus 2 over 9 multiplied by 2. This is going to be minus 4 over 9. Minus 4 over 9 is not equal to minus 1. Because the product of the slopes of the two lines is not equal to minus 1, therefore the lines are not perpendicular.